Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am attempting the butterfly locks on my hair for the first time, so stay tuned for those results. Okay guys, so the hair that you do need is the Freetreses Water Wave. I got the wannabe 22 inches and I got 5 packs of these. So I've seen various of different people use 7, 6, 4. Like I said, I got 5 for now. I can't just run to the beauty supply store, but here we go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you what I have so far. Like I said, this is my first time attempting it, so don't judge me. I did this and these 3 in the back. They're probably uneven too. But this is a trial and error for me, so I'm just playing with it. And as I go, I notice it gets a little bit better. But like I said, it's my first time attempting, so I will show you exactly what I'm doing once I get the hang of it. So to create the butterfly effect for the locks, I have seen so many different methods. I've seen the poplar thumb method in some tutorials. I've seen other methods, but each tutorial that I watched, it did not work for me. So I had to play around my hair a little bit and do what was best for me. So starting out, of course, you crochet in the hair through their single braid. Then you pull the hair to the length that you want your hair to be to create the bob. So the longer piece of hair you will wrap around your hair. So I wrap the hair around tightly at the top 3 times. Then I continue to wrap the hair around to create the loops and butterfly effect. So because the hair is already curly, you do not need to do any special technique or use your thumb. Because the hair is curly, all you really need to do is just wrap the hair around loosely to create those loops and to create that distressed look, and it will just create that look on its own without doing anything difficult. So that's what you see me doing now. And then when I get to the end of my hair where I want my length to be to create that bob, I wrap the hair around my finger and then wrap the hair going in the same direction I wrap the hair starting out. So I know it may look difficult, I know it may sound difficult, but once you start to get the hang of the hair, if you haven't attempted yet, it's really pretty simple once you start to create your own method. I say create your own method so you can create the look that works best for you. I know it sounds simple, but once you play around with it, it will become simple. Trust me. Okay guys, like I mentioned to you guys earlier, I brought 5 packs of the Freetreses crochet hair water wave, and this is my last pack. So I think 5 packs will do, probably 4.5 really. Half of a little bit of this pack, so that'll make it 4.5. So this is what I have so far. Okay guys, so you know how I mentioned earlier that I bought 5 packs of hair. So something told me when I was at the beauty supply store to get an extra pack just in case, like I always do. But I didn't. I just thought 5 packs would work. And honestly, it was working. But I have 5 pieces of my bracelet and only 2 pieces left. I was gonna improvise and just do like one of each, but I'm like, no, that would make no sense because it's just gonna throw off what I have now because I'm using 2 pieces per braid. It is right now 10 o'clock. Beauty supply store is closed, of course. And this is what I have. So I have to wait until the morning time to finish. I mean, I'm gonna do this, but still, I like to finish things. And I've already been doing this 2 days now because I had to braid my hair first. Then I had to do that a little bit of today. So, but this is the progress. I'm liking it so far. Some I have uneven, but you know, I tried. Okay guys, so it is literally 2 days later. I was supposed to post this video last Sunday. I told you guys that I ran out of hair, and then the next day I just had stuff I had to do, so I was just left here with 5 braids, 5 little braids undone. So I finished majority of everything, so now I'm on the last one. Woo! So for me, I feel like it's kind of stiff a little bit. So what I did was heat up some hot water. You see that steaming? And I'm just gonna put my hair in, dip my hair in to kind of loosen it up a little bit. So. See guys, I'm starting to apply a little bit of the mousse to the top of my hair because I just felt like my hair is frizzy. I know the hair is supposed to be like a frizzy distressed look, but at the top of my hair I did not want frizz. So as you can see, I'm just applying the mousse to the top of my hair just to reduce some of that frizzy hair so it can look a little bit neat. Okay guys, so this is the final result of my hair, and let me tell you, this took a long time only because I didn't have the right amount of hair that I needed. So basically I needed 5.5 packs to basically create this full look that I was going for. And you know, it isn't a hard hairstyle, but because I was watching other methods and how to do this hairstyle, it took a little bit longer with trying to do the thumb method and other natural hair growth methods to do this style, and it just didn't work for me. So as you can see throughout the video, I was doing the method that worked for me, and to create this butterfly distressed bob look, whatever you want to call it, it worked for me. And I just want to try it out. If you know me, I like to try new things, and don't judge me because I did whatever works for me to create this little distressed look. And honestly, that was the easier way. So this is what I got out of the method that I tried, and I think it actually came out great. At first, I did not like the hairstyle because I had it directly in the middle, and it just gave me like weird vibes, and then it kept coming in my face. So I was just like, you know what? Boom. Because that middle part was not working for me. Middle parts are my go-to, but for this style, it just wasn't going for me. So I had to kind of switch it up, do a little, you know, play. And this was actually cute like this, like so. Yes, so don't judge me, guys. Like I said, this was my first time attempting this style, and now that I played around with it a little bit, kind of jazzed it up a little bit with makeup and stuff like that, I do like the style now. Like I said, it has to grow on me a little bit, maybe because I'm so used to if when I do put extensions in my hair, twist or braids or anything like that, it's longer versus shorter. So that's probably another reason why I have to get used to it. But this is what I have. I do thank you guys for watching, supporting. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.